With me on the line this morning from Mosman Oil and Gas, I'm joined by Andy Carroll. Andy, good morning.
Good morning.
Andy, look, a positive update from you this morning on Stanley 3. The well's been completed. Give us a bit more detail. What's the latest?
Well, the good news, this is the highest flow rate of any of the Stanley wells. It's a very encouraging initial flow rates. The well's producing, and we look forward to updating the flow rates in due course. But the initial flow rates are great.
What would you expect commercial production here to be?
Probably a similar sort of number. The operator makes a decision based on the information on site. It's making sure we don't produce the well too fast to cause any damage at the same time. This one has all the indications of being a very strong producing well.
So all up, Stanley, these 3 wells, it's been quite a good project for you at Mosman, hasn't it?
Yeah, great vindication of our decision to invest on the back of very strong technical work, and so good commercial decision. We now have encountered multiple pay zones in all 3 wells, and indicates that there is a lot of oil left in this area, and our interest in this area, not just the 3 wells producing, but also additional development wells to be drilled in due course, and we're very much looking forward to drilling more wells. Basically, we want to drill them as quickly as we can.
Just tell me a bit more then, what happens from here as far as Stanley 3? What's next?
So the well's completed, and it's being produced initially into tanks. The only thing that happen over the next few days is permanent production facilities will be installed. So instead of coming into the tanks and then being moved across to the storage tanks already there, there'll just be a straight pipeline from the wellhead into the storage tank. But the well will just keep flowing. It's just normal production process now.
And what about the plans here for Stanley 4?
So we're going to the States next week. It's very timely in terms of seeing the good news on Stanley 3, and the planning and timing for Stanley 4 is one of the things on the top of our agenda for our meetings next week.
Andy, look, just before I let you go, we're still waiting anxiously on some news from Dukas on the Amadeus Basin. Any word on this?
Yeah, so the 2 partners, Santos and Central Petroleum, have made announcements on those wells on their acreage. They say that they have encountered inerts as well as hydrocarbons, which is very positive, and significant pressure that requires more equipment before they can finish the well. So very positive indications. I think Central Petroleum talked about very positive results so far, but we look forward to drilling the last part of that well into the main target zone. But it's all very positive, and we're seeing the opportunity now to get investment in our area. We've been invited on a Northern Territory government trip to China, investment trip to China, and that's part of our ongoing work, both technical work and seeking investment partners to progress our acreage adjacent to Dukas.
Very interesting. A lot to look forward to. Andy, look, thanks for a quick update from you this morning. Thanks very much.
You're welcome. Thanks.